Hi, my name is Mackenzie and I'm a Microsoft Device Specialist with Data3. Here with me today is the new 15-inch Surface Book 3. Let's open it up and take a look. With the previous release of the Surface Laptop 3, Pro 7 and Pro X, Microsoft introduced brown box packaging instead of their traditional white box retail packaging. And we see this again with the Book 3. What's great is that most of the packaging components on the inside are made from recycled materials. And for IT, alongside the box, you've got an Autopilot-enabled product ID for easy device registration. The Book 3 is designed to give you the best balance between computational power and versatility. The most powerful configuration introduces the Quadro RTX 3000 with a Max-Q design. This allows users to create or render 3D designs and produce graphical content with real-time ray tracing and advanced shading. Developers can even run GPU-intensive machine learning and AI workloads. And with up to 32 gigs of RAM, this makes the Surface Book 3 a great choice even for your most demanding users. But that's not even the best part. Just like that, we've got a tablet. How good's that? Improvements in the dynamic fulcrum hinge allows the Surface Book 3 to detach up to 2 times faster than the Surface Book 2. With the tablet freed from its base, we entered into tablet mode, and the 15-inch touch display gives me lots of workspace to draw, take notes, and collaborate in applications such as Microsoft Whiteboard. For creative professionals, you can also find plenty of connectivity for multimedia, with 2 USB-A ports, a USB-C port, and even a full-size SD card slot. On the tablet, there's also a 3.5mm headphone jack, and you've also got a Surface Connect port alongside for charging and docking. So that was a quick overview of the Surface Book 3. If you'd like to learn more, please reach out to your Data3 account manager or visit us online at data3.com.au.